Hello again, everyone, and welcome to our special New Year's Eve edition of Deep Dive. We're going to take a look at what goes on when things don't go according to plans. And you can see that it is spot. Oh, it's not. Oh, whoa. Boy, did I almost screw up. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the DP Pro, there are a couple of deep dives on this besides the one that you're just spit. Thanks so much for, so we're not like, hello again and what? Now, cut it. So I'm going to take the Combo 90, the 55 millimeters instead of 70. So I've got you know what? I did this wrong. The next question, I have no idea what the next question is. I'm sorry, John. You don't need to see this. How about I just do this in private? I'm going to bring the square up and drop my indicators back in again. You'd think a high-class production like this could afford a full bottle of glue. With just a little tap like that, that piece is held in place. So we're going to set that on my workbench. Then we're going to take a piece of foam. You know what? I don't need the foam. Make a batch of end blocks for your set it and mark from the we've said that twice and that is right, isn't it? Yes, it is. Oh! I hope you enjoyed this deeper dive. I'm gonna buy us an actual marker. Everybody's recording? And we're go? Okay. Roll, clap. Well, that'll make the blooper reel. Wasn't that fun? Hey folks, you know, I have to tell you, we really enjoy putting Deep Dive together for you every week. And be sure and let us know what you think about it. Fill out the comment section below. Let us know if you like our show. And we hope that everything works out for you next year. And we'll be ready next week with a real deep dive. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week on Deep Dive.